I have used Affresh washing machine cleaners for almost a decade now through multiple homes and multiple qualities of washers. We've definitely had the really gross moldy washer to this one's very new. And for all of them, I recommend this. There are pros and cons. Let's get into it. Now, the main pro is this cleans better than anything else I've used. I have tried to do vinegar and baking soda. I have tried to scrub it out myself, and this helps me get rid of any of that gross growth that can happen inside the rubber casket, and it prevents it once it's clean, which is the biggest thing for me. How it works is you just open this up, open one of these, and make sure to open it inside your washer, as they usually have a lot of extra little pieces in them. Now, normally I don't touch the tablet, but this is what it looks like. It's very pungent, super strong. You'll smell it when you run it in the washer. So know that it is a strong cleaning smell. You'll just put it in, close your washer, and then you should have an option of tub clean, or my old washer actually said Affresh clean on it. And all you do is go to that and hit start. It has started running, and this washer was smart enough to dissolve the tablet pretty quickly before it started clanging around. So it was actually basically silent. This is the first time I've used Affresh with this new washer, and I'm really impressed with that. Usually I can hear the tablet clanging around for a couple minutes until it fully dissolves. So depending on your washer, it may be perfectly silent. So it just stopped running, and now you have one more key thing you need to do, and that is that you need to wipe down the rubber and the door. And the reason you want to wipe it down with a towel is that the Affresh cleaner has actually loosened everything, and anything that it wasn't able to clean off will now be much easier to clean off with a quick rag wipe down. So be sure to wipe it down when you're finished, and this will help your washer last, stay clean, keep your clothing clean for so much longer. Now, my washer is already very nice. This is a new washer. We've only had it for about 6 weeks. So yeah, it's beautiful, and I want to keep it this way. This was a huge investment, so I will be using Affresh every month. But I have been in rental properties and have had to deal with the washers that do have all the gross buildup in here, and I cannot tell you what a difference Affresh made. It does recommend that you run it a few times if you have that kind of buildup. So you'd run it with one of these, do a wipe down, do it again, do another wipe down. And that is what helped me get those grosser washers I've had cleaner. Now, the staining, when you get like that, won't actually go away, but the buildup and the smell will go away. You just got to keep at it. So wherever you are in your washer cleaning journey, whether you have something that's closer to this, new, and you want to keep it perfect, or something that isn't, and you're trying to get it back to smelling fresh and clean your clothes wonderfully, I cannot recommend Affresh washing machine cleaner tablets enough. These really, really do work, and you're going to love them.